Hey guys, my name is Jerry, and today we're at a restaurant location and we are performing a coil cleaning on this condenser coil. And we're going to use my favorite product, Renewz, from Rector Seal. The reason I like using this product is because it does not harm your coils, it does not harm the aluminum fin, and it really gets in there and busts all that dirt and grime out of those coils. And remember guys, to always wear your safety PPE to protect yourself from the chemicals, from your face, your eyes, while performing the coil cleaning. Also, very important step while maintaining any HVAC unit, make sure you turn the disconnect off, the power to the unit, so you're not at risk of hurting yourself with electricity. So this one requires dilute 1 part Renewz to 3 parts of water, and all the instructions are basically on the back. Really easy to follow, really easy to read. So for this next step, we're just going to pre-rinse the coil before we add the solution. All you gotta do is wet it lightly. For this next step, guys, we want to apply the Renewz generously along all the rows, all the coils, on all sides. Step, guys, you want to let the chemicals sit for a good 10 minutes. As you can tell, the foam, the chemicals are already foaming out, getting all that dirt and grease out of the coil. That's what you want it to do, but let it sit for a good 10 minutes so it can do a thorough job. Guys, as you can tell, as I'm rinsing it down, you can see everything just coming right out as the foam just takes all that dirt and grease right out of the fin. Always remember to rinse the coil thoroughly. Last but not least, always remember to turn your unit back on so the customer is not left without AC during the day or the night. That's it. And remember guys, Rector Seal offers a full line of coil cleaning solutions.